I replaced the knob and the deadbolt on my door, but no one's doing this. And it looks okay. Not great, but it's okay. Here's what's happening from the inside. As you can see, the latch is just barely catching, if it's catching at all. I found this product on Amazon that looks like it's going to solve what I need. It's actually 3 different latch holders of 3 different thicknesses. And you can combine them as you need to extend the length of the latch as much as you need to. You can play around with it and try it out. I'm going to combine 3 of these together. We got 1, 2, and then the original latch here. Put them together like this. Put my screw in just to hold it in place. Drop one. So now it looks like this. Let's put it in and see how it looks. Okay, let's give it a shot. It's okay. I'm going to add a 3rd one. I've put all 3 of them together here. You can see that. Here's the outer plate, and then here's 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And then they're threaded together into the screws. I'm going to go ahead and assemble that and see how it looks. There we go. Other replaces. Here's another view of it. See, it juts out a little bit onto the door frame, but it's still quite okay. Provides a really nice closing base. Problem solved.